The app I'm going to show you now, I'm not sure whether it would be allowed in the schools or not. This app, which is called as Socratic, is an artificial intelligence app which employs generative AI to offer middle and high school students homework help across various subjects using advanced text and speech recognition to provide visual explanation from images of their work. On your screen, you can see this Socratic at work in the this loop down. And if you go to their website, you will see that there are a lot of subjects which they cover, including chemistry, physics, trigonometry, poetry, drama, fiction, and lot of others. And you can also uh, just give it few of the questions, scan them, and it will give you the answer. For instance, if you go to their website, download this app, and try out these homework questions from science, math, and literature, it is going to give you fairly accurate answers. So I'm not sure again whether it's a good idea or not because I have a school going son, and I'm more than sure if I let him loose on this app, he's not going to spend any effort on the homework from that time on. So, well, but this is the future. I think this is the way things are going to be, and this Socratic is just one drop in this huge upcoming flood of similar apps. Let me know your thoughts on it. What do you think? Whether should we allow these sort of homework app uh, in the schools, or should we just let our students use them, or not? I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on them. Thanks for listening.